Good morning, everybody. Hey, I'm going to show you this. Ain't going to take long. A lot of you have probably never taken the front leg off. You can tell that one's bent. That part is no good. I think the spring may be good, but I'm pretty sure the bottom part here is good. And how do you get that apart, you ask? Well, there's a little bitty Allen in there. And the trick is you need something like a air ratchet with that extension, because you got to have something small enough to get in there, and then you just back it out of there. But you back it out of there at high speed. Let me put that in there. I'm not going to be able to do both, I don't think. Hang in here a minute and I'll show you. I got it set up here. It's going to be a little tricky trying to film this and hold that and shoot that. So we're going to give it a try for you guys. But you shove it in there, it don't take much, you just got to spin. And that's all it does. Now then, that should be loose. Then if it ain't loose, it don't come loose, then you got a problem. Okay, out of there. There she went out, right there. So that's how you do it. Now I'm going to do the other leg. Then we should just be able to more or less slide these right off. You got a little clip in there, you see that ring? Can't point it to it, right by my thumb. See that ring? We got to pop that out, and then when you slide that out good and hard, the seal and everything will pop out, and then you got a good lower leg. Because I don't think there's nothing wrong with them, or like I said, this spring. I just wanted to show you guys that. If you've never taken one apart, that's how you do it.